Good afternoon and good day. Today I will be reporting the Rule 112 in relation to DC 015 and DC 020 and its differences with each other. So let's get started. Rule 112 of the revised Rules of Criminal Procedure outlines how preliminary investigation are conducted in the Philippines using the standard of probable cause to decide whether someone likely committed a crime. However, this changed with DOJ or Department of Justice Circular Number 020 dated 2023, which added a new step for serious crimes before a case can move forward. So, prosecutor must first assess if there's a reasonable certainty of conviction, if the evidence isn't strong enough, and the case goes through a case build up and pays or may be dismissed. Um, this process was further updated by DOJ or Department of Justice 6 Circular 015 dated 2024, which officially rule replaced by Rule 112. The new circular raised the bar for which cases require a preliminary investigation, um, now limited to offenses punishable by over 6 years, and introduced stricter deadlines, virtual processes, and grave prosecutors, more authority to drop weak cases. In short, mm, the shift from Rule 112 to DC 020 and finally to DC 015 reflects a move toward a more efficient, evidence-focused system that prioritizes stronger cases, aims to ease the burden of the court. That would be all. Thank you so much.